The sheet of drywall that I have just laying around the house is about 33 inches by 4 feet. So I've marked up from the floor 33 inches on both sides so that I can take an accurate measurement. Hold my tape there, over to here, and I have about 38 and a quarter. And then measure down at the bottom. Should be about the same, which it is 38 and a quarter. So 38 and a quarter, and here, take my T-square, which is not really square anymore. That's why I made 2 lines. I'm gonna have to buy a new one. There we go. And then you can cut it on the back side. And we have our sheet. We put our piece in place. That works for me. But now if you don't have a drywall gun, that's totally fine. I will give you an example of how you should install these, because believe it or not, there is a way. So I'm gonna suck these drywall screws in. Try and going straight. That one didn't. But I'm just gonna suck it in just enough to sink it so that I won't have an issue when I'm mudding it, but don't go too far because you don't want to break the paper or these won't hold. So again, I'll show you over here. Screw in here, straight in. Sink it in enough where you can mud over it, but not too much where it'll break the paper, just like that. Over here. And that is going to be enough for me because this is really just temporary, just to keep the kids out. So if we take a look here, because we were careful, this is looking pretty flush. The old Kid Blocker 5000.